Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your compliance skills with Compliance Week, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To upgrade your compliance skills with Compliance Week, begin by visiting the Compliance Week website. Navigate to the home page where you will find a variety of resources. Look for the Resources tab in the main menu. Click on it to reveal an array of options including articles, webinars, and reports. Select Webinars to access live and recorded sessions on current compliance topics. Choose a webinar that aligns with your interests or areas you wish to improve. Once you find a suitable webinar, register for it to gain access. Participate actively in the live sessions by asking questions and engaging with experts. After attending a webinar, make sure to download any available materials. Next, explore the articles section for in-depth discussions and expert insights. Read recent publications to stay updated on compliance trends and best practices. Consider subscribing to the Compliance Week newsletter for regular updates. This will ensure you never miss important information or upcoming events. Also, take advantage of the Research tab for in-depth studies and analyses. Utilize these resources to broaden your understanding of regulatory requirements. Participate in forums or community discussions to exchange ideas with peers. Finally, implement what you've learned into your daily compliance practices. By following these steps, you will enhance your compliance skills effectively through Compliance Week. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.